Indigenous Rights Radio, because knowledge is power.
Explain to us what the aura is in the air today.
Oh, it's vibey, man. It's so vibey. We have people that's from here. They were born here, so they got the culture in their bones, man. It's absolutely amazing. I think they're going to perform a lacquer dance for us, traditional dance, give us a little bit of a taste of their culture, you know what I mean? But otherwise, it's like a sunny out here. It's dry heat. It's good heat. Vibes all around. It's going to be an awesome day.
Ek is Monica Kloete. Dit is die real dancers van Lambert's Bay. Hulle is hier by Donkieskraal en ons is besig met 'n programpie hier waar hulle vir julle gaan wys hoe die kultuur uitgebeeld word. Dankie.
I'm Sidney White and I'm walking here Klipfontein Road for over 30 years.
Okay, my lady. My name is Reginald Abrams. I'm selling snoek here at Klipfontein Road and the fish market here for like 25 or 6 years selling snoek now here.
Never did any other type of work. Fishhawking is my business. I don't think I'll ever leave this business for something else.
You will go through Okay, guys, what's interesting where she is sitting now and these two, if you quickly can stand up, you can see movement, you can see there was Bushmans here. Look at the smoothness of that rock. So maybe they stumped something there like a foot, something, or again making sharp something. Where she is sitting now, there you can see there's a little dent by your foot now. Your foot. Yeah. Your name is now out of my head. It's okay. Clayton. So there you can see, that's for me, I'm seeing that similarity at all the caves as well. It shows me maybe that was the hidden fire. We all know now out of Survivor series and Naked and Afraid, there's always a fire that needs to be kept on burning. And if you look at time and time over temperature, then your rock cracks. And you see this actually at all the caves where they had this little wegsteek fire, the fire that never needs to go out, that one that needs to just start up. So, and if you look at light and everything and not giving away your position, this is actually, if you look around, this is a very nice, quiet, secluded area. So you can go down to that side, look at that little holes, see how it goes thinner. Imagine you're taking a big rock and you must make it an arrowhead. I've been searching for arrowheads for 5 years on this farm, like almost Ernest Hemingway with a little bit of Lara Croft. I can't find. So I think that was precious, precious. Yes. And I know why.
Indigenous Rights Radio, because knowledge is power.